Okay, for this problem we need to graph two inequalities. First one is y is greater than x. So we first just need to find out where that line would be, as if it was y equals x. So the y is already alone, so what we are going to do is grab this little line tool, and imagine that we were just graphing it as an equation first of all, just to find out where the line would be. So y equals x would have a y-intercept of 0, and a slope of 1, because there's a 1 in front of that x there, so up 1 to the right 1. So I'm going to pick that. The only thing different about what this line looks like and what ours needs to look like is that we have a y is greater than x, and that's just a greater than sign. It doesn't have a or equal to underneath it, so actually this line will need to be dotted. Then beyond that, once we get the line in place, we need to shade one of the two sides. And the greater than side is going to be above the line, and if you can't tell which side is above the line, then we pick a value on either side of the line and plug that ordered pair into the x and y spot to see if it makes it true. If it makes the inequality true, then that is the side that should be shaded. The true side should be shaded. We're trying to shade in all of the true ordered pairs. So if I pick -1, 1, just as my test point, then that would mean x is -1, y is 1. Put a -1 in the x spot, put a 1 in the y spot. 1 is in fact greater than -1, so that would be true. So this is the side that should be shaded. And we're not only doing one inequality though, we're doing both. So let's get our second line in place, and then we might need to erase some shadings because we only want to keep the shadings where they are in common. So I'm going to grab my line tool again, and this time I'm going to graph the second inequality. So that has a y-intercept of 3, and it has a slope of -1. So it's going to go down 1 and to the right 1. So there's my second line. Well, this one wants to be shaded on the less than end. Well, the less than end would be everything below this yellow line that you see here. If you're, again, not sure which side is the lower side, pick an ordered pair on either side. If it makes the inequality true, it would be the shaded side. If it makes it false, we know that that's not the shaded side and it must be the other side. So, but for the purpose of time, we'll just say it is below here. We want to know where it is in common, so that would actually just be this part that is shaded right now. We want to know everything that's less than the yellow line, but also greater than this blue line. So that would be this yellow region here, so I'll hit save, check my answer, and we are done.